Hello everyone who wants to know how I've done this beautiful hair. Continue watching because I'm gonna show you what product I'm using. So the first thing, I'm using this KMS hair play texture playable spray. So it's it's quite dry spray. I bought this in UK. I'm sure you can buy this online, and I wanted to try how it's gonna work on my hair. It did actually create some kind of texture, but it wasn't actually very heavy texture like I've used with TIGI. The mousse usually is more texture, and this one, it was super light, and I applied on the front area a little bit more product, and it was working even better. So first thing, I'm going to section my hair and dry my hair from the back to the front, and that's how I'm doing. I'm using Dyson hair dryer, and I'm creating some kind of curls as well, because I want to have this beautiful old money style hair with a little bit of volume. It turns out very cute, and a little bit of volume, not too much. As with mousse, you get more volume for sure, you get more texture as well, but this one looks more natural, I find it. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? So the hair is very damp, so I'm using the hot air to dry it and then the cold to set. So how I do it, I first put the temperature high up, then I'm taking this hair back. This is the highest temperature, so it's very hot. So I'm turning it on, and then while I'm doing it, at the end I'm turning the temperature down, so it's drying and cooling down the curls, so that's why it's forming so nicely. Okay, let's start it. It's still hot. This one is still hot. When I'm drying my hair with a hot temperature. Like I'm blow drying with a hot temperature from both sides. Okay, once it's done, it's already dry. Now I start forming the curl like this. Okay, now it's hot, still hot. And now I can turn it down. Now it's cold. Not cold, but it's not hot. It's warm. It's a bit cool. Taking it down. Now I can make it again hot. And cold. You see? And now I continue with going all over my head. I section every part of my hair just to go through everything and very throat fit. So I'm going to add some product on the top. So I feel like there is a volume on my hair, but not so much. So I'm just going to spray a little bit more in the sections. Now I'm going with the final section. This is the top of my crown, and I'm doing again hot and then cold air to style it and to have this beautiful curl. Okay, so this is how it worked. So I used this Dyson and this product. It's a bit like, I feel the texture, of course. Like as always when you use texture spray, but like if it's gonna hold or not, we will see. So far I am loving it. Like, it's super pretty. What do you think? tell me in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.